How to fix DNS probe finished NX domain error in Google Chrome. Method 1. Reset TCP/IP settings and flush DNS cache. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in CMD and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open command prompt as an administrator. In the command prompt window, type in the command shown on the screen, and press the Enter key after typing in each one. Close the command prompt and restart your PC. Method 2. Restart the DNS client service. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in CMD and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open command prompt as an administrator. Type in netstop DNS cache in the command prompt window, and press Enter. Then type in netstart DNS cache, and press Enter. Restart your PC. Method 3. Change your DNS server address. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in ncpa.cpl and click OK. Right-click the network adapter and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4 and click Properties. Tick the Use the following DNS server addresses option. In the preferred DNS server, type in 1.1.1.1. In the alternate DNS server, type in 1.0.0.1. Click OK to save settings. Select Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6, and click Properties. Tick the Use the following DNS server addresses option. In the preferred DNS server, type in 2606:4700:4700:1111. In the alternate DNS server, type in 2606:4700:4700:1001. Click OK to save settings. Restart your PC for the changes to take effect. Method 4. Clear Google Chrome host cache. Open Google Chrome. Type in chrome://net-internal/#DNS in the omnibox and press the Enter key. Click Clear Host Cache. Method 5. Reset Google Chrome flags. Open Google Chrome. Type in chrome://flags/ in the omnibox and press the Enter key. Click Reset All. Then, click Relaunch. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's Duplicate File Finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.